right now we are at the Hyatt Regency in Coral Gables, Florida, in the Miami area there. So we got the front door, got a bench, nice mirror. Let's check the bathroom out. Nice big sink right there. Lots of towels and everything down below. Check big shower there. Wow, nice big shower. There. The business area there. We are on the 14th floor. Pool facing room, they say, and the pool's on the 5th floor. So it's kind of got a dresser there and a desk. Nice big bed. You know that I like the nightstands where they're the same height or above, which is good. One on each side. Coffee here. I don't know what's underneath here. I got a fridge down there. That's good. And I don't know what's here. Cab dresser. Yep, dresser, safe. Okay. Nice big couch with the TV here. Couch here. That back would have been nice over there. So let's see if we can get the view. It's kind of hard to get to a view here with this couch here. So we'll kind of go out here, and that's the 5th floor down there. There it is there. We'll get the other part of it later. All right, I came down to work out a little bit, so I figured I'd film it. You walk in the door from the fitness center. Right here. Back there. Towels. It's good sized. You got cold towels in there, which is kind of nice. Water there. Oh, 5 treadmills, which is nice. A couple machines here. Got a bathroom back there, water fountain. Gym wipes. 3 ellipticals, free weights. This is a good sized gym right here. This is a nice gym right here. I'm going to go right here and pan all around for you. This is the mezzanine floor. Got the elevators here. So you come out, you got the steps you can go down. It's about 4 in the morning. I just got done working out. I woke up early, so I don't want to be too loud. Right below us now, right here, is the lobby. Bar and a little restaurant. We'll go downstairs. Try not to kill myself here. Although it'd be kind of funny if I fell. One thing I've noticed here is every day they've changed out these flowers. I think they're real, but I've seen them changed out every day. There's the front door. As you come in over there to the left is the lobby. There's the lobby over there, sitting area. We came down here last night. We got here and the room had about 30 minutes before it was ready. So they actually gave us a free drink. So we came over here and drank it. It was pretty good. I had my standard beer. Had an IPA. Don't remember it. It was okay, not great, not bad, just okay. And two sisters. Here's the bigger restaurant right there. The one up there is just kind of like light food, and it's open later though, which is kind of nice. Restrooms, sitting area. I haven't been over here, so let's take a peek. These are mirrors and everything here. So, okay. And here all the way to the other end of the hallway. Okay, I got the pool here. It's kind of sunny out, but there's not many people here. I don't want to look like the weird guy filming people in the pool. Pretty nice pool. Our room is actually top one right there, where we're staying at. Show you the pool, just walk around, show you the pool here, get you the different angles. And looks like they got a hot tub up here. Yep. I know I'm dating myself, but every time I say hot tub, I think of the Saturday Night Live sketch, Celebrity Hot Tub. I'm dating myself there. But it was still funny. Eddie Murphy in his prime. Towels, bathrooms. Yeah, we're in the shade to get a little better view here. Not so much glare. There we go. There's the pool. All right, final review. We'll go in the bathroom. Everything was good. Anything I say bad is going to be nitpicky. Nothing bad. Sink is pretty shallow. I washed some clothes in there. It was pretty shallow, so I had to do like one little thing at a time. That's a personal issue. That's nitpicky. But everything else, the shower was nice. Again, it's the double whammy. Soft water, not much pressure. I know they have to legally do that, but with soft water, it takes forever to get wet. It takes forever to get the soap on. It takes forever to get the soap off, but they don't have much choice on that. But everything else here is nice. Right here, my wife said this is an A+ right here. This bench. It's a bench, there's an outlet right behind it in the mirror. So in the mornings, you can pull the bench out with the hairdryer and everything right there at the mirror. Get comfortable and just, you're not in the bathroom to get ready. So another little hack is the ironing board. Use that as a luggage rack. Most places have an ironing board, pull it out, carry-on luggage fits right on top, open it up, you're good to go. So that's a little hack there for you. TV. For some reason, I could not get my Roku connected to the Wi-Fi here. It was not I think it was because it's a sign-in, but not a traditional sign-in. You just click the sign-in after you connect. You know when you connect to a place and it says click here to sign in, you click here to sign in, you go somewhere else. That's all you had to do, and it would just connect you. Since there was nothing to do, it wouldn't fully connect. I think that's why. I just could. I didn't have my travel router with me. I could have got my travel router out with me, cloned my phone. I would have been fine. But it wasn't a big deal because this TV has apps built in. Netflix, YouTube, iHeartRadio, and 3 others that I never used. So that's fine. That's 90% of what we use there anyway. iHeartRadio and YouTube. So that's 90%. So everything else was good. Like I said, it was just a weird couch design. The back should have been over there. So if you want to sit back and watch TV, you can. Another weird thing, I actually moved the desk. This was even with the couch, but you cannot get at the windows at all. And that light is in the corner, and I pulled that out so I could get to open and close the curtains and to look out. So it's just kind of a weird, if they would have this flipped all the way against that wall, it would leave it partially open. That would have solved that. So if they could reverse that somehow, that would resolve that. Bed comfortable, great pillows, not the little soft little fluff down that sucks. These are really nice. Wife even said she liked the pillows. Fridge was inside there, coffee. One thing I liked, K-Cups. Everybody's getting away from K-Cups, going to something else. It's really nice getting a place with K-Cups. You know it's there. You don't think. You just make your coffee and you're done, which is nice. So, but yeah, everything else was good. They had USB chargers next to the bed, which was nice. Light switches right here next to the bed, so that's on. Switches right there. But yeah, that's it. Really good room. I'll go back over here. Cannot complain at all about this whole stay here. Gym was nice. It had built-in apps. Not only that, they had their Netflix. They had Netflix. One other video service, their login. So you didn't even have to log in with yours on their big video, which was nice. Just a nice touch. So that's it. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.